The Middle Ages, spanning from the 5th to the 15th century, were a transformative period for religious interactions, characterized by complex dynamics of conflict and coexistence. During this time, major religions such as Christianity, Islam, Judaism, and paganism intertwined their destinies, shaping the religious map of the world under predominantly Christian influence. Catholic Christianity emerged as the predominant force in Europe following the fall of the Western Roman Empire in 476 AD. The Catholic Church played a crucial role in unifying Europe, often exerting influence that rivaled or eclipsed that of secular rulers. This was exemplified in 800 AD, when Pope Leo III crowned Charlemagne as Emperor of the Holy Roman Empire, thus giving the Church the authority to legitimize rulers. However, this dominance was not without conflict, as demonstrated by the investiture conflict between Pope Gregory VII and Emperor Henry IV, which highlighted the tensions between ecclesiastical and secular powers. Cultural and educational advancements were under the aegis of the Church, with monasteries preserving and propagating classical works. The construction of Gothic cathedrals represented the spiritual supremacy of Christianity. Yet, the Church's monopoly faced theological and political challenges, leading to the Great Schism of 1054 AD, bifurcating Christianity into Western Catholicism and Eastern Orthodoxy. Islamic expansion posed a significant challenge to Europe, especially after the death of Prophet Muhammad in 632 AD. The Arab conquest spread rapidly, reaching Europe through the conquest of Andalusia in 711 AD. Under the Umayyad Caliphate, Andalusia emerged as a hub of cultural exchange, showcasing religious coexistence among Muslims, Jews, and Christians. However, aggressive expansion brought forth the Crusades, incited by Pope Urban II in 1095 AD, intensifying conflict against Islamic territories. Judaism navigated its path amid fluctuating tolerance and persecution. Under Islamic rule, Jews experienced relative protection as dhimmis, with thriving Talmudic scholarships. However, in Christian regions, Jews faced severe adversity, from massacres during the Crusades to expulsions from England, France, and Spain, fueled by false accusations during periods of calamity like the Black Death.